As you know, in the previous video, we set up our company with Northwest. Our company was established in just 4 days. We set up this company for about $89. So there's no need to pay hundreds of dollars, like $800 or $900 to intermediary institutions. You can access your company formation documents from the documents section in Northwest's panel. I will talk about all of these step by step in this series. For the EIN, we first need to fill out a form like this. I am writing the link to this form in the description section of this video. This form is made in an editable PDF format. You can easily edit it. You just need to have any PDF viewer. After filling out this form, we will fax it to the IRS. Now I am downloading this form to my computer to edit it. Yes, I opened the form I downloaded. Now I will explain step by step where you need to fill in this form. I am writing here as an example now. You will need to enter it in this format. We leave sections 2 and 3 blank. You will enter your address in your country in section 5A. You will enter information such as street, avenue, building, apartment number. You can enter it this way. In this section, you will enter the district, city, country, and postal code. I am entering it as an example in this way. In sections 4A and 4B, you will enter your company's address. Again, in section 4A, you will enter your company's street, avenue, building information. In section 4B, you will enter the city, state, and postal code information in this way. In this section, you will enter your company's district and again the state part. In section 7A, you will write your first and last name. Again, make sure to write in uppercase letters and only use English characters. In section 7B, you will write foreign. In section 8A, since we established an LLC company, we will say yes and move on. In section 8B, since we have only one member, which is ourselves, I will write one here. In section 8C, it asks if you established the company in America. Since we established it in America, we will say yes to this. In section 9A, we will select the address and enter this text. In section 9B, we need to write the state where your company was established. We should have established our company in New Mexico, if you watched the previous video. In section 10, we will check the first option, and we need to write general business in the section below. In section 11, you need to enter your company's establishment date. Your company's establishment date is in your establishment documents. You can access these documents from the Documents section in Northwest's panel. When entering the date here, don't forget to enter it as month, day, and year. For example, July 26th. Day and 2024, I am entering my information in this way. In section 12, I am writing December. In the blanks in section 13, I will write 0. I am scrolling down. We will leave sections 14 and 15 blank. I am not saying anything for 14. In section 15, I am writing NA in this way. In section 16, I select Other, and again I write General Business. In section 17, I will write General Activity. In section 18, I am selecting the option No. In this section, you need to write your name and then add member. For example, like this. First name, last name, comma, member. On the right side, you need to enter your phone number. This should be your phone number in your own country. You can enter it like this. In the section below, you need to write your fax number. Of course, we don't have a fax number, but we will easily get one together. I will address this shortly. Yes, in the signature section, you can write your first and last name in handwriting. I am now in the PDF file and will write in handwriting. Yes, you can write your name in handwriting like this. On the right side, you need to write the date you will fax it. And when writing this date, you need to write it in the order of month, day, and year again. Now let's talk about how to get a fax number. When you click on the Fax Plus link in the comments, a page like this will open. I click on Start from here and log in. I will sign up with Google right away. Yes, it says we need to upgrade the account to send and receive faxes. I'm clicking. Now I need to choose a plan from here. I can choose the basic plan. Currently it costs $9 per month. Actually 1 month will be enough for us because I will only send and receive faxes for 1 month. If it takes 2 months, at worst, you will have paid $18. 9 plus 9 is $18, but I think it will probably be resolved in 1 month. Our document will be sent to our fax number. Yes, now I have chosen the first plan. As the country, I need to select the United States. And for the area code, I say random. I selected random again. Yes, it assigned us a fax number like this. Now I'm proceeding by clicking proceed. Then I will enter my card information and complete my payment. Yes, after making your purchase, your fax number will appear above. You can copy your fax number starting with +1 and paste it into the fax number section at the bottom of the form we filled out for the EIN. For example, I'm entering it like this as a sample. Yes, in the date section here, I need to enter the day I will send this form, which is today. I will enter today's date as month, day, year by selecting a text file above the PDF file. Today's date is October 8th, 2024. You always need to enter dates in this way as month, day, and year. Then I save this file I downloaded. Yes, now we will fax our file. For this, I click on the Send Fax button above. I will enter the IRS's fax number in the Tools section. You can find the IRS's fax number in the description of this video. However, be sure to check the current fax number of the IRS from the link in the video's description. I will also leave this link. When you click on the link, a page like this will open. It's the IRS's page. The IRS's fax number will be written in this section. We will take the number from the outside US section. You can add +1 to the beginning of this number. Currently, this is the number we added, but as I said, depending on when you watch, this number may change. Be sure to ensure its accuracy. Then I click on Net File and I will add the PDF I just filled out. I added my PDF. We need to add one more file. It's a document proving we established our company. You can find this document in the Documents section of the Northwest panel. I check the Approval button next to the formation document like this and click Download from above to download this file. After downloading this file, I will add it here as an additional file by saying Add File like this. I have now added my formation document here. Then I press Send and send it. Here, Optimize for Text may be selected. I say Send. Each page will take about 1 minute to fax. I say Done, then I exit. This will now automatically send this fax in the background. In the Outbox tab, you can see it is being sent right now. After sending, it will come to the Send section. Now I can find the fax file I sent in the Send section. Now our EIN will come to our fax number or address. This takes about 1 month. Depending on the situation, it may take more or less time. After handling the EIN, don't forget to cancel your Fax Plus subscription here. Otherwise, it will continue to charge your card every month, but be sure to wait for the EIN to cancel it. You can cancel your subscription after the EIN arrives. Once our EIN is determined, we will continue with the next steps. Since it will take some time for the EIN to arrive, be sure to complete your applications now. Our company is now successfully formed, and we've applied for the EIN at no cost. See you in the next video.